As the company grows from 3 million euro to more than 30 million euro, your role as CEO and CPO and so on needs to be changed all the time. And I think you need to be very, very conscious about how to change that role and what it actually means. Obviously, it means working a lot less hands-on and being much more directional and strategic in the work that you're doing. But one thing that doesn't change is the interaction with people and the fact that you need to stay really, really close to people, coaching people and working with people, realizing that people are the ones that are creating the value. And then the second thing is that does not change is staying close to customers, making sure that you really, really understand their pain points so that you can help them create value. The challenges of a company changes as the company grows, and I think the most important thing you do as a CEO is to be very conscious about that, and that you continuously reassess, am I dedicating my time to the challenges that are the greatest? And you need to sort of rebalance your focus at least every 2-3 months to make sure that you actually put your time where the largest challenge in the companies are. And I think that's super important, and a lot of people forget about that.